Sure bafethu Sithembe niyaphila. Nansi ipost esinayo njengamanje. EPinetown endaweni yaseNew Germany kunekhampani eyaziwa nge-Aeroclass Dice. Kuleyo khampani kuneposition kaBoilermaker ekhona. I-closing date yayo umhla ka-13 kuFebruary, okusho ukuthi ivala ngoFriday. So mawumuntu o-good with understanda ama-drawings, uwumuntu onalo ulwazi lokwakhiwa kwamajiki, developments and fabrication, uwumuntu okwazi ukuba i-team player bambisane nabantu mesebenza, uwumuntu o-self motivated okwazi ukuqhamuka nama-solutions makuney'nkinga, this is for you. So okwakho ukuthi uthumele ama-documents akho ku abulele.bungane@aeroclassdice.co.za, abulele.bungane@aeroclassdice.co.za. I-CV yakho e-updathiwe, ama-certified documents akho azo zonke iy'tifiketi zakho onazo, including umatric if unawo umatric ne-ID, and then une-motivation letter, yabo, uzama ukuthi ene uyidayisa indlela ongayidayisa ngayo, and then mese uthumela kule email address le bengade ngiyikhipha. Okunye mangabe uthumela i-application yakho nge-email, you don't just attach and send and that's it. Mhlambe kwi-subject okay uzobhala ukuthi ene yini lo yi-applyelayo, like in this case is apply position kaBoilermaker and it's a permanent position le. And then la kwi-body yakho ye-email uzobhala ukuthi hi, please find attached you see my documents for the above mentioned post or position. Then mase uyabhala nje uthi ukuthi ungamane u-attach and then so uyasenda, yabo, nje just kanjalo, yabo. Iyona i-position esinayo le okwamanje ngaphansi kwe-trade ye-Boilermaker. Ake sizame ukuthi sibone kuhamba kanjani kuze kube okuzayo. Danke, ngiyabonga.